Most people don't get rich because their money has no job. Today, I'll show you the simple 5-bucket system that quietly builds wealth, even if you're starting small. Here's the idea. Instead of letting your money sit in one checking account, you divide every dollar into 5 clear buckets. Each bucket has a purpose. Each bucket protects you from stress, overspending, and bad decisions. It forces your money to work with you instead of against you. Let's say you bring home $4,000 a month. Most people let all of it mix together, then wonder where it went. But with the 5-bucket system, that same $4,000 is organized the moment it hits your account. You know exactly what's safe to spend, what's growing, and what's being wasted. It removes guilt, it removes guesswork, and it makes saving feel automatic. Bucket 1, essentials, 50%. Rent, food, bills, transportation. Keep this in a separate debit account. No swiping beyond this. Bucket 2, financial growth, 20%. This is where your future lives. Investing, Roth IRA, high-yield savings, separate account, no spending. Bucket 3, emergency fund, 10%. 3 to 6 months of expenses, slow, calm, and steady contributions. Bucket 4, goals plus future purchases, 10%. Travel, car repairs, holidays, anything that could surprise you later. Bucket 5, guilt-free spending, 10%. Yes, fun money. This bucket keeps you from burning out. When the money's gone, stop. Simple. Start small. Create the 5 accounts. Automate each transfer on payday. Even if you start with $20 per bucket, the habit builds the wealth. Because wealth isn't built by intensity, it's built by consistency. If you want more simple money systems that actually work, make sure you're subscribed. Your future self will thank you.